Hi everyone, you may not know that we've had a giveaway going on here on my YouTube channel, Eden Secret One, and basically the giveaway is to whoever comments the most on my videos over the past quarter, and I'm very happy to announce there was no catch in our mind. K-Star, you are our giveaway winner. So you are going to receive £36 worth of products from Eden Secret if you just get in touch via the website. Everyone else, if you want to continue or enter the next giveaway, all you need to do is comment the most on my YouTube videos, on my latest YouTube videos, and I'll choose a winner 2 months from today.